The benefits of exercise. Exercise is one of the most important things we can do for our physical and mental health. Whether you are young or old, fit or unfit, there are countless benefits to be gained from regular exercise. First and foremost, exercise helps us maintain a healthy weight. When we exercise, we burn calories, which helps to reduce body fat and increase muscle mass. This not only improves our physical appearance but also reduces our risk of obesity-related health problems such as heart disease, diabetes, and high blood pressure. Regular exercise also has a positive impact on our mental health. When we exercise, our brains release endorphins, which are natural feel-good chemicals that can help to reduce stress and anxiety, improve mood, and promote better sleep. Exercise has even been shown to be an effective treatment for depression and other mental health conditions. Another important benefit of exercise is that it can help to improve our cardiovascular health. Aerobic exercise, such as running, cycling, or swimming, can help to strengthen our heart and lungs, improve circulation, and reduce our risk of heart disease and stroke. Even low-intensity exercise such as walking can have a significant impact on our cardiovascular health. Exercise also plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy bones and muscles. As we age, our bones can become weaker and more prone to fractures, while our muscles can become weaker and less flexible. Regular exercise, particularly weight-bearing exercise such as strength training or resistance exercises, can help to prevent bone loss and muscle deterioration, which can reduce our risk of falls and injuries. In addition to these physical benefits, exercise can also improve our cognitive function. Studies have shown that regular exercise can improve memory, concentration, and overall brain function, which can be particularly beneficial for older adults. Exercise has also been shown to improve academic performance in children and young adults, suggesting that it may be an effective tool for improving cognitive function across all age groups. So, with all these benefits in mind, how can you incorporate more exercise into your daily routine? The good news is that it doesn't have to be difficult or time-consuming. Even small changes, such as taking the stairs instead of the elevator or going for a walk during your lunch break, can make a big difference. To get the most out of your exercise routine, it's important to find activities that you enjoy and that fit your lifestyle. If you're not a fan of running, for example, you may find that swimming, cycling, or dancing are more enjoyable for you. Similarly, if you have a busy schedule, you may need to find ways to incorporate exercise into your daily routine, such as by walking or cycling to work or doing quick workouts at home. It's also important to start slowly and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your exercise routine. If you're new to exercise or haven't exercised in a while, start with low-intensity activities such as walking or gentle stretching and gradually work your way up to more intense activities. Finally, remember to listen to your body and take breaks as needed. Exercise is important, but it's equally important to avoid overdoing it and risking injury or burnout. In conclusion, exercise is an essential part of a healthy lifestyle, with numerous physical and mental health benefits. Whether you're looking to maintain a healthy weight, improve your cardiovascular health, or boost your cognitive function, regular exercise can help you achieve your goals. So why not start incorporating more exercise into your daily routine today? Your body and mind will thank you for it.